This is part 3 of the building process. Hi, I'm Dale Frazell. Welcome to my channel, New Construction Realtor. I hope you watched part 1 and 2, so let's jump right into part 3. Here we go. Number 31, interior paint finish. Now I just want to make a clarification here. Some builders might take certain items such as the doors, the trim around the doors, the casing, maybe even the base, and bring it to their painter's shop where it's climate control, and they paint it inside there. Then they bring it over to the site. Now I'm going to talk about doors that came from the lumber yard that they dropped it off and they're just primed. So once the trim carpenters hang all this, then the painters come in and they putty everything, all the nails and the imperfections, come and caulk it in, make it everything tight. They prime it if need be, and then they put paint on it, the final coats, if you will. So now the walls have already been painted in the past, the ceiling's done, so now they're tying all the trim and all the baseboard and everything, so it's completely painted throughout. So from your trim to your walls, everything is finished. Number 32, flooring installed except for carpeting. You don't want to install the carpet because you're still going to have trades tromping in and out. Number 33, landscapers start the sprinkler system and finish the landscaping. Number 34, countertops and tile installed. At this time, they will also deliver all the appliances and electrical light fixtures, such as your fans, hanging fixtures, into the garage. Number 35, electrical Trimout. The electrician will come back, he will switch and plug, hang light fixtures, hang ceiling fans, and even the microwave. And then what he's going to do is call for electrical final inspection. Number 36. Now it's the plumber's turn. The plumber comes back, he sets the toilets, all the faucets, sets the sinks, ties in the dishwasher, and he also calls for the plumbing final inspection. Number 37. Now the HVAC boys come back in and they put in the registers, those little grates that are over all your vents. They could tie in the AC compressor, put filters in the furnace, and they also call for what they call a mechanical final inspection. Number 38, mirrors and shower doors are installed. You normally want to hold off putting something glass around trades when they're in there working with hammers, drills, or what have you. So you want to hold off as much as you can so they not only can install them, but they can let them set. They caulk them in, silicone seal them, and just let them dry. Number 39, hardware. So that basically consists of your towel bars, your toilet paper holders, all your knobs on your cabinets, and even the house numbers. So they'll go through the whole house making sure all that's installed. And you save that till the last because a towel bar sticks out from the wall. You don't want someone turning around, whacking it, knocking it off the wall, ripping a hole in the wall too. So it's a finished product. Number 40 is the driveway and sidewalks to the house. The reason you hold off on the driveway, there's a couple things. Sure as heck, someone's going to pull into the driveway that has a car that leaks a ton of oil, or a truck during the construction process backs his load up into it, such as sheetrock, and just completely destroys the concrete. So that too is a finished product, and you want to save that to the end. 41. This is a rough cleaning. So you're going to have a cleaning crew come in, and they're basically going to go through the whole house to where they clean all the windows on the inside and the outside, clean all the cabinets out, basically vacuum the house from top to bottom, wipe the walls down. It's a rough cleaning at this point. Number 42, carpet installed. Now that the house has been rough cleaning, which is a pretty thorough cleaning, you can install brand new carpet in a clean area. 43, punch list. Now this is usually the area where, say, the builder or his employee, say as a superintendent, will walk through the house room by room and blue tape. So he goes around, the blue tape indicates an area that either has to be touched up, whether it be sheetrock, painted, you name it, scratching the tub or what have you. You walk through it. Hence the name punch list, because a lot of times when people see a punch list, they want to punch someone, but this is more or less the preparation of delivering a finished house, but all these little imperfections need to be corrected from this point. Number 44, final inspection. As I mentioned earlier, all your mechanicals have been done. Your plumbing's inspected, your electrical's inspected, and your HVAC's been inspected. And all the previous inspections have been done because the building inspector has a record of all those inspections. And they, like I mentioned, they all have to pass. So when he comes there to do the final inspection, the house is completed, all the inspections been done, and he's walking around and making sure everything is up to code and that it is habitable. And what you're trying to obtain at that point is what they call the C of O, Certificate of Occupancy, meaning that someone now, this dwelling is habitable. People can live in it. Number 45, final clean. Even though they've already cleaned the house, they will come back and clean it once again from top to bottom. So now this house is ready for close. So that's it. All the steps in building a new home. Knowing these steps can help as you sit by and watch your new home taking shape. If you have any questions about new construction or want to know about any new construction homes or neighborhoods, reach out to me or leave your questions in the comment section below and I will answer you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for new videos I post every week. Until next time, take care.